11 Space travel. If you threw a ball up in the air, it will come back to the ground. This is because the earth has a force of attraction which pulls objects towards itself. This pull or force of attraction is called the gravitational force or gravity. The moon, planets and stars have a force of gravity. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. The region beyond the Earth's atmosphere in which the planets and stars are present is called space. The Earth's gravitational pull is very strong. We need special vehicles called rockets to get out of the Earth's gravitational pull and travel into space. Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first person to travel into space in 1961. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel into space in 1984. Landing on the moon in 1969. Neil Armstrong become the first person to step on the surface of the moon. He went to the moon on a spacecraft called Apollo 11. The first words he said after landing on the moon were, "That's one small step for man, but a giant leap for mankind." Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins also traveled in the spacecraft with Neil Armstrong. Some facts about the moon. There is no air or water on the moon. So there are no plants or animals or human beings on the moon. There are large bowl-shaped holes called craters on the moon's surface. 6 times less than that of the earth. So our weight on the moon is 1/6 of our weight on earth. If a person weighs 60 kg on the earth,
dal.
He
He
would weigh
would weigh
10
10
kg on
kg on
the moon.
the moon.
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla was
Kalpana Chawla was
the first woman
the first woman
of Indian
Indian
origin
origin
to travel into
to travel into
space.
space.
She went
She went
into space in the
into space in the
Space
space
Shuttle
shuttle
Columbia
Columbia
in 1997.
1997.
She went
She went
into space
into space
again in
in
January
January
2003.
2000.
She died on
She died on
1 Feb
1 Feb
2003
2003
when the space
when the space
shuttle crashed
shuttle crashed
on the return journey.
on the return journey.
Sunita Williams
Sunita Williams
is the second woman
is the second woman
of Indian
of India
origin to travel
Oregon travel
into space.
into space
During her
during her
first space
first stage
flight,
flight.
she stayed
In
in space
space
for
for
195 days.
195 days.